So here we are outside the Wildwood Heritage Glen. Very excited to get inside this RV. Why?
Well, first off, AC's on.
AC's been on, period. But also, we would love to show you what's inside because it's fantastic.
Yeah, and this model, this is the Heritage Glen 310BHI. This model is going to feature 3 slide outs, right? So first off, you've got an awesome 2 power awnings with LED lights, right? So you're going to have 2 slide outs in your living room, 1 in the bunk room. Let's go down to the end right here because the outside kitchen's awesome on this model.
Yeah.
It's one of our most popular models. So you've got a sink. It is a plumb, it's not a wet sink. Bigger refrigerator. It's got a griddle that'll pull out, so that whole griddle pulls out here. So if you cook.
So good.
Cool. It's a little warm right here in Ohio today.
Yeah.
And then, you know, we got power jacks.
Let's talk about the bottle opener. The bottle opener.
Show
right
them the
there.
bottle opener.
There you go. Is this a twist? Oh, no, it's not. Just like that, you're taken care of.
It's already ready to go.
After you've already messed up your fingers from trying to unscrew it.
You've got plug-ins out here, USB ports and everything too. They use a nicer material, like almost like an aluminum material, so over time it won't split. I noticed that on like a lot of used trailers. They use like a Formica countertop, and with the moisture and every cooking on it and stuff, they start to swell. So that's a one big plus that they do. Nice. So yeah, let's go inside. Let's get cooled off.
Yeah. Oh, I'm so excited.
TV can come to the outside from the inside to the out.
Yep.
Get the door here for you guys.
Ooh, I'm going in first. I don't even care. Oh, yeah, it feels good. Oh, now it's almost too cold on my sweaty little body. Sorry, please don't tune out. Stick with us. I won't say anything gross again. Nice big living space here.
Yeah.
I love this layout.
I love it too. Well, the big thing I like is, first off, they've went now to non-shag carpet, right? It's like a hybrid material.
Right.
So easy to sweep, great pet friendly. They do awesome theater seating directly across from your
Big
entertainment,
TV,
right?
yeah.
So you've got your TV, you've got your fireplace, your sound bar, all located right there directly across from your theater seating. So this particular model, you can sleep 1 to 2 on your dinette. You're going to be able to sleep 1, 2, 3 to 4 in the back. So 7 to 8 people pretty comfortably.
Yep.
One thing with Heritage Glen is that they're very modern, right? You know, just looking at your kitchen here, awesome island, right? So you got
the
slide.
island's great.
And look at all the countertop space you've got here and then over there as well, right?
Yeah.
Nice pan drawer down below.
Yep.
Oven.
You got a pantry over here.
Big pantry. Yep.
Oh, that is huge pantry. Huge enough that not only can put food in there, they got hooks over here to hang clothes from. Or your apron, if you're like a real chef and you got an apron you're wearing.
Yeah.
Your cooking apron.
Then you got the bigger residential refrigerator, right? So 12 volt.
More countertop over there for your maybe your coffee
hutch,
maker.
like a hutch, right?
Hutch. Yeah. Yep.
Yeah, let's go to the back. So the bunk room. It's really cool.
So there you go.
So so when you come back, again, nicer carpet. This is called basically the Versa bunk, right? So right now it's in the up position, right? You can sit there, play your games, hang out, but then it'll also fold out basically into a double bed.
Yeah.
You got a bunk up above there, it folds up and down. Entertainment center down below here, so gives you more storage, and then obviously another bigger bunk up top, right?
Again, kids, guests would love it back here.
Yeah.
Especially kids, like their own little private getaway. Shut that door, they're in their own little world. Yeah.
It's perfect for the family, right?
Yep. Absolutely.
Yeah, let's go up front and show them the bathroom and then also the master bedroom.
All right.
A lot of cool accent lighting, as you can tell, around the island up above your slide outs. They've got cool accent lighting.
So let's talk about air conditioning real quick. Like it is, we've joked around about it being hot. You can see me. It's muggy out there. It feels fantastic in here, and we've already turned the air conditioner off so that you wouldn't hear it. Not that it's super loud, but we're just trying to keep the background sound down. And it still feels amazing in here. The air conditioners in these things are, they're fantastic. So there you go. There's the shower. I am 6 foot. Plenty of room in here. You got your porcelain toilet. You got your sink with a couple spots for, you may have to roll towels to put them in there, but you get plenty of towels in there. A little bit of space underneath. And then, of course, your medicine cabinet. Boom. And then back to
go to the front bedroom.
the Master bedroom.
I love how they put not only do they look cool with the front windshield up front, but how much bigger does it feel in here when you have that?
Yep.
Right?
Great.
You know, I think it's nice too, even at night, you know, you can see the stars and stuff like that. It's just cool. And then it's got a shade that'll pull down and get it out of the way.
Yeah.
You got storage on both sides here, right?
Yeah. Underneath. Lights got a little notch on either side
for your cutouts.
App or TV, or not TV, but your phone.
Yep, and it's got plugs there already. And then look at that master closet. It's a monster closet.
That is a good size closet. And if you wanted to, I could see around the corner here, you can put a washer and dryer in there.
Yep. So they've already put a closet there, so you can put your own.
Either do a stack, or if you do the 2-in-1 to leave a little bit of space. But yeah, and a sliding door, so that you get more space. So you're not taking space as you open it.
Absolutely.
Great. Love it. Again, this is so. Would you consider this like a mid-size RV, or is this maybe a little bigger than a mid-size?
I'm
trying to think.
I would say this is going to be
Geo Pro, which is definitely your smaller. Your River Ranch, which is out here, which is huge.
I would say this is more on your longer side. Okay. You know, because you've got 3 slides, right?
That's a good point. Yeah.
So mid to high. You know, higher side. Quality wise, I think it's going to be more of your higher end quality. As you sort of feel it when you walk in, right? You feel the fit and finish is really nice. You know, Heritage Glen's been one of our top sellers for a long time. So quality is really there as well. So
and so just that question alone, I know people will ask questions like that. Give me one question that people call and ask about a lot that you think everybody should know. I know we haven't talked about this. I'm kind of putting you on the spot. Is there something? I just want to let people know that they can call you and ask questions. They're not going to get to you and you start selling them right away. If they have questions, is there something that you hear a lot that you're like, I feel like everybody should know this? Like we need to tell people this.
Well, I think the first thing is knowing your towing capacity.
Okay.
Right. So, you know, oftentimes, I mean, that's one of the first things I'm checking with the customer, or a customer may have a question is, know your towing capacity of your tow vehicle you're going to be pulling with, because obviously that's the first thing. You want to be safe.
Right.
You don't want to max out your vehicle where you blow up your vehicle. So that's for me always been the biggest thing is narrowing down what they can safely tow.
Okay.
Right. Do they want bunks? Do they not want bunks? What size are they comfortable? Price point are they comfortable? Finding something that's going to fit all the buttons is my biggest thing.
Okay.
And you know, most guys are, the way that we're paid here is we're just paid on volume, right? So we want to get you into, like most guys are straight commission. They want to put you in this particular trailer because they'll make more money that way. The way that our ownership has set it up here is customer oriented, right? Nice. So we want to be able to get you in something that you're happy with, rather than putting something that I'm just trying to sell you, right? That's what's different with us compared to most places out there. So that's always with me, and I've been here 18 years, and that's why I think I've got a lot of repeat and referral business, because people are happy. They're going to send you your friends and family. So it's a win-win for basically a family atmosphere is how we're trying to approach our business. So.
Love it. That's great. So just another reason to get hold of them here at RV Wholesalers to get you into the next RV of your dreams. I've been here just a few years, and by being here, I mean I've hosted the RV shows. It's not like I work in there selling RVs. And I've learned a lot and how great the people are around here and how they actually honestly care about their customers and their future family. You call them family, RV family once they buy. They take care of you guys. So if you want that peace of mind when buying an RV, I would absolutely suggest calling right now or jotting down. If you can jot down the website, rvwholesalers.com, so you can come back later and check it out. We'll get you into the RV of your dreams, and we'll do it like family.